learn from. We look forward for more updates. Now let's move on to Kenya, where the President of Kenya, William Ruto, is set to begin a 5-state visit to China, aiming to deepen economic and diplomatic cooperation between the two countries. Ruto's visit is expected to cover a range of key issues, from trade agreements and infrastructure development to addressing regional security. Our reporter has prepared a report prepared by Daniel Arap Moi from our partner CGTN Africa is next.
China and Kenya established diplomatic relations in 1963. During the colonial era, China supported Kenya's struggle for independence. The two countries emphasized principles of sovereignty, mutual respect, and non-interference in domestic affairs, which promoted mutual understanding. 60 years on, the relations have transformed and evolved into a comprehensive strategic partnership.
The people-to-people relationship between Kenya and China goes beyond our bilateral relations. Is 600 years old when the first Chinese visited Kenya.
Key projects like the Standard Gauge Railway, built under China's Belt and Road Initiative, have reduced cargo transit times, increased trade between Kenya and neighboring nations, and boosted tourism in the country. The 27-kilometer elevated Nairobi Expressway, built by the China Road and Bridge Corporation, has reduced travel time between Kenya's Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, the Nairobi Central Business District, and some key suburbs of the Kenyan capital. In the agricultural sector, Kenya has emerged as one of the top suppliers of avocados to China, capitalizing on a rapidly growing demand. This expanded market has empowered many Kenyan farmers through increased earnings. In 2019, Kenya was granted enhanced market access to China, a move that boosted the flour export sector. For many flour farmers, the expanded access into the Chinese market has facilitated easier trade routes and reduced barriers, giving the horticultural sector a timely boost. In education, China has established the Confucius Institute at the University of Nairobi, promoting the learning of the Chinese language by many Kenyans and facilitating cultural exchanges.
I am looking forward to building on what already exists, to build greater understanding between our two peoples and ensuring that we take this into the future.
President William Ruto's visit to China is expected to further cement China's role as Kenya's leading trading partner.